In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over an image in Google Docs. This is a handy skill that can enhance the visual appeal of your documents and highlight important information with a creative touch. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To get started, you'll want to open the Google Doc where you plan to add this stylish image-text combination. Begin by clicking on the Insert option located in the top menu of your Google Doc. Hover over Drawing and select New from the drop-down menu. This action opens a drawing editor window where we'll be working our magic. Once in the drawing editor, you'll notice various icons in the top toolbar. Here, click on the image icon, which resembles a small mountain or a landscape picture. This will allow you to upload a new image from your computer or select an existing one from your Drive or Google Photos. Choose the image you'd like to work with, and it will appear in your drawing area. With the image now in front of you, it's time to add some text. Spot the text box icon, which looks like a T inside a square box in the toolbar. Click on it, then drag the cursor over your image to create a text box that you can freely position. This box is where you'll type out the text you want displayed over your image. Now that you've placed your text box, you can type your desired text directly into it. Once your text is in place, take advantage of the top toolbar options to customize how your text looks. You're able to change the font style, alter the size, pick a color, and adjust the alignment to suit your preferences. For added clarity and legibility, especially over busy images, consider using a text color that contrasts well with your image. Next up, we want to ensure that the text blends seamlessly with the image. To do this, select the text box again. Then, go to the fill color icon and choose Transparent to make the background invisible. Additionally, use the border color icon to select Transparent, effectively removing the border around your text box. These steps will help your text integrate elegantly on top of your image without any distracting outlines. Having made these adjustments, you're ready to finalize your creation. Click the Save and Close button at the top right of the drawing window. This action will place your image and text into your document as one cohesive, movable object. You can now click and drag this object to position it wherever you see fit within your document. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated text over image design in your Google Doc, all set to impress your readers. Thanks for watching, and feel empowered to experiment with this technique to add flair to any of your documents.